Good afternoon, this is Tommy Myers with MarineMax Sailandski in Austin, Texas. Today I want to show you this beautiful 2020 Nautique G21. This boat is white and black with a black forward stripe, white aft stripe, and it's got the gold Super Air Nautique logo on it. Really nice combination. This boat looks really clean. The G21 is in the same family as the G23 and G25. Great boat if you're limited to a 21 foot as far as trailering or dock availability, but yet very roomy, very comfortable for a 21 foot size boat. This boat's got the mocha color sea deck on the back, and as you can see, new for 2020, the G model boats now have the aft seats on them. This boat has the Nautique surf system, the freshwater exhaust, and the NCRS plate. Alright, let's take a look at the interior on this 2020 Nautique G21. As you can see, we've got a center walkthrough. Nice, easy progression on steps going into the boat. Lots of storage in this boat with the aft subfloor ballast. Swivel board racks, JL audio tower speakers. Also comes with an awareness camera, the camera built into your pylon here. The G21 from Nautique, being only a 21 foot boat, is very roomy. Lots of room for all your friends and family. And as you can see, it's got a capacity of 14 people. It's got the LINC Panoray system, keyless ignition. Here's your bow area. Here's a very nice feature on the G21. Easy access for your batteries. As you can see, your battery switch right there at the walkthrough. And at the very back here, you've got a nice built-in cooler, which is very convenient for when you're hanging out in your favorite cove. And when you're getting in and out of the boat, you've got a nice natural step going into the boat. Easy to get in and out. As you can see, this boat has the stadium seating. So if you're surfing or wakeboarding, all your passengers can easily be facing aft to view the wakeboarder. Come on down to MarineMax Sailandski. Check out all of the new 2020 Nautiques. My name's Tommy Myers. Have a great day. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, feel free to call me or ask for any of our sales staff, or visit us at any of our locations, Austin, San Antonio, or Lakeway.